Okay, we're still in the main wash. So far so good. It should be draining shortly, but as you can see, with them being new claws, you can see the fluff in the seal there. So I'm going to have to clean that out afterwards. Very rarely the washer does that. So I'll just try and get a different angle. There we go. 41 minutes. As you can see, I've got it on Smart Touch, so that's on darks. I'm just hoping that the colours haven't won while that colour catcher's been there. At least I'm washing away inside out anyway, so shouldn't be a problem.